Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start. Today we shall learn about construction of graphs in Excel spreadsheet. Now let me present my screen. Construction of graphs in Excel. And about the manual construction of graphs, we have already learned in chapter 3 how to draw different types of graphs and charts. Here in the box we have data types and some suitable graphical methods for their presentation. For example, time series data are represented through line graphs or bar diagram. Then bar diagrams and histograms are generally used for showing shares or frequencies or various units. Say for example, rainfall data are represented mainly by bar diagrams. Then compound bar diagrams and pie charts are used for showing shares of various units, and maps are used for the location-wise presentation of data. If you want to present data in the administrative units or across the space, then we use maps. And now let us learn how to construct graphs in Excel. In your books, many steps are given. See here, steps 1, 2, 3. Actually, these are the steps, mainly for this Office 2007. If you have Office 2007 edition, then you may follow these steps. Otherwise, if you have a later version like Office 2013 or 2016 or 19, then steps are different. But whatever the case may be, for the drawing of graphs and the charts, first we have to enter the data here in this way. So here I have already entered this trends urbanization. Let me zoom it. Trends urbanization 1911 to 2011. And here we have years, and here we have decennial growth of this urban population. And we have one more table here, that is about sex ratio of selected states 2000 up to 2011 from 1901. So what to do? First we have to select the data in this way. We have to select the data by pressing your this left button of your mouse and drag it. Just click here, then press your left button of your mouse, then drag downwards, and it is selected. And you know I have this Excel 2013. So after selecting the data, we have to click on insert menu. Insert menu. Then after that, here you will see a chart wizard. And if you want to draw this line graph, so option is here, insert line chart. So click here, and after that you will get a drop down. And see, you have to select the suitable line graph. Remember, computer is a very stupid machine, and it will draw whatever the data is given, but we have to select, we have to choose the right graph. Okay, this one I think not suitable. This one also, see here, year is on the this both year and this growth rate are used. Actually we want a year along the x-axis and this decennial growth along the y-axis. So we have to find the suitable one. If you don't find it, then go to more charts. Okay, more line charts, and here when we bring this cursor here, the mouse pointer here, then I think this is the suitable one. Here on the left side along the y-axis we find decennial growth, and along the x-axis we find years, decades. So click on it, then click OK. Okay, click OK. And after this, again, if you want to say change the chart type, again see here you'll find different types of charts. You may select the type of chart you want. Okay, and here we have more chart also there. I think this will be better, style 14 will be better. Then after that, so we need to change, okay, we need to change the title of the chart. Here the title of the chart should be India Trends Urbanization 1911 to 2011. So just click here, then select it and type, okay, India, then trends of urbanization 1911 to 2011. Okay, and if you want to change the color of the font, then just click here, then go to home and see here from this color of the font, just select black. Okay, automatic. And after this we have to add this title of the x and y axis. So we have two options. Okay, when you click on the chart, then I think on the right side you may be seeing these chart elements. Okay, chart elements plus symbol you may be seeing, and here click on the chart elements, then click axis title. Okay, click here axis title. After that, see here you can add, just select it and add axis title, and here it should be decennial growth, okay, in percent. And likewise for the y-axis, x-axis also, just click here, select it and type this year. Okay, and if you want to change the font color, then click here, then just select the color, font color. Here also select it and click on the font color. Okay, then for this, if you want to format, okay, this line also, just click on this line, on this line graph. Okay, and after this just click here and then go to format. Okay, after this just go to format selection here on the left side, and here these tools are displayed. Okay, and here just see here, if you want to change the color of the line, okay, see here, solid line, then color, you may change the color here. If you want to change it to black, then click, okay, black, just here, click here, then choose black. Okay, and if you want another, okay, different type of, another type of line, then you may just click here, okay, and choose it. Okay, just click here, you want to change, for example, this one, then it will be changed. Okay, so these are the different ways, okay, how to format or how to change the style. And again, if you want to change the color of these lines also, okay, just click on the line, okay, then just click here, okay, we may also go to home, okay, just here, click it, then this color, automatic black. And if you want to add these vertical lines, then go to this design, then on the left corner, top left corner, you'll find add chart elements, okay, then here you'll find a lot of options. If you want to add primary vertical, okay, you may click here. Okay, if you want to add this data level, and here, okay, you can add the data level also, maybe on the left, right, so many options are there. So let us put on the left side, okay, then again you may click it. If you want to add grid lines, say for example vertical lines, okay, we may click here, add chart elements, then grid lines, then primary, measure verticals. Okay, here vertical. If you want to change the color, click on the lines, and then change color to black. Okay, so we can add this. Again, we can add more, that is primary, minor also. See, primary, minor horizontals. Go to add chart elements, then there will be a drop down, then grid lines, then primary, minor, horizontal, in this way. Just click here and change the color. Okay, change the color. See here, in this way you can add. Okay, and let us suppose here we have finished the construction of the graph. Then after this, just click on this chart area, then you may right click, okay, then copy, or you can use the shortcut also, Control C, then you may paste it anywhere. For example, I'm opening Microsoft Word 2013 and click on the blank document and Control V, or just right click and paste. So in this way you can paste your chart anywhere in your document. Okay, so in this way line graph is drawn using this Excel. And so likewise, so if you want to draw another one also, okay, you may follow the same. Just select the data, okay, select it, then what to do, go to insert, then select the suitable chart, okay, click here chart wizards, and you may select, okay, you may select the chart which we want. Just select the suitable one. Okay, see here, I think this may be the suitable one. So like before, you can click here, then change the chart title. Okay, this sex ratio of selected stats, then after that year 1901 to 2011. Okay, and here also like before, just click on the chart area, then here on the right side, top right side, you will see a plus symbol, chart elements, or here also, okay, just below the file menu you will get add chart element. We have two options. Okay, either you can go here, click here, you will get a drop down menu, then go to this axis, okay, or axis title, or we can just click here, then axis title, then after that add. Okay, add here. Here let us say sex ratio, okay, for example, and here we have these years. Okay, and we can change these lines also, color lines, into patterns. If you want to change it, then just click on the line which you want to modify. Okay, then go to format, then format selection. Here it is displayed. Okay, click here, then line, you may change the, okay, line color, or you may change the line type also. Just see here, you may see the line type. So just if you want to change it, then just change it in this way. Okay, and it will change automatically. And for the change of color, just you may click here and change. Okay, you can select any color you want, or you may change it to black also. Okay, any question from your side? Okay, then let us proceed. Then for drawing a bar diagram also, the steps are the same. For example, I have entered rainfall data of Churchandpur district, and we have to follow the same step. See here, we have to select the data here in this way, then go to insert, then this one we want to draw this bar diagram, then click here, then select the suitable one. Okay, let us say, okay, this is the suitable one, let us suppose. And after this, so we have to change the title. Just click here, and then the title should be this average average monthly rainfall of Churachandpur. Okay, then if you want to change the font color also, just click the box, then go to home, then click the font color. And for the addition of the these titles, okay, axis title, like before, go to these chart elements, then click on the axis title, and here we have to enter the suitable title. Here we have to enter type rainfall in centimeters. Rainfall in centimeters. Spelling is wrong. Rainfall in centimeters. And here we have what? Months. And if you want to change the font color, click on it, then we'll change it. Click here, we'll change it. And even for these months also, we can change the font color. And after this, here if we want to add the border line, okay, just click on these bars. It is selected, then here border, okay, then solid line, and you may change the border color of the border to black in this way. And we can also change this color, okay, into these patterns also. Okay, see here, fill, go to fill, click on the fill, then select pattern fill, and from here just select any pattern you want. For example, this is the pattern we want, and we can change the color also. Let us turn to black in this way. So you can select any pattern from this format panel, okay. And like before, say if you want to change the color of these lines also, just click here, then line color, okay, just click here and click on black. And if we want to add minor horizontal and vertical lines also, just go to design, click here design, then on the top left we have add chart element, click here, there will be a drop down, then grid line, then here you will get a minor horizontal, okay. So here the color of the minor horizontal is gray, so click here, somewhere here it is selected, then change the color to this black. So for example, this way we can add these minor horizontal lines also. And likewise we can add the vertical also. Just go to add chart elements, grid lines, and then primary, measure, vertical, here in this way. If we want to change it, change the color, click here, then here click on black. So in this way bar diagrams are drawn. And if you want to insert anywhere, then click on the chart area, then copy it, okay, copy, then here you can paste anywhere, okay, just right click, then here paste it, okay. So in this way these bar diagrams are drawn. And one more, okay, how to draw the pie diagram, we have to follow the same step. So here I have entered land use data, okay, for India for the year 1914 and 2014 and 15. and say we have to select the data. Okay, and after this, just like before, go to insert, then pie chart. Okay, chart wizard is here. You may be seeing this pie chart. Click here and select any okay, a suitable one. 3D also there, then 2D also there. Just let us click here, so it is drawn. So if we don't want to if we don't want this style, then just we may go here. More options are displayed here. Just click here and say we may put the cursor, the mouse pointer here, style 1, style 2, style 3, in this way. Okay, so you may select any style you want by bringing your mouse pointer. Okay, here I think this may be the suitable one. And here we have to change the title also, as before, like before. Just click here, then here we have to enter the title like this: land use categories in India 2014-15. So in this way we have added the chart title. Okay, and again, if you want to format it further, then just click on the chart area. Okay, and then say you may go to this format. Okay, and go to format selection, and here you can change the color into pattern also. Say for example, this blue color representing forest, we don't want it. Just click on this sector. Okay, just click on this sector. Okay, just click on it, and then we can also add the border also. Okay, or say for the change of border here, and the color already selected to black. And for the fill pattern, just click on this sector and click on the pattern fill, and just select any pattern you want. For example, this is the one I want it, so click on it and it is changed. And likewise, if you want to change this sector blue, then click here, then go to this fill. Okay, here it is here, fill. Then go to pattern fill, and then let us select this one. Okay, so in this way we can change every sector. Okay, we can change every sector in this way. And for the chart, say if you want to change the data level also, just go to add chart element. Okay, about the chart title also, you can change the position. Go to chart title, then above it, center. Okay, different options are there, and data levels also, many options are there. Okay, center, inside, outside, base fit, data callout, so different options are there. Okay, so in this way it is drawn. Okay, so for changing the these colors of the sector, just click on the sector. Okay, then go to pattern fill, and here just select any pattern you want. In this way, click here, then go to this fill, then pattern fill, and then select any. So in this way, In this way, pie charts are drawn in the Excel spreadsheet, and after this, just if you want to insert anywhere in your text, then just copy it and then paste anywhere you want. Okay. Are you clear? Do you have any question? Okay, if you don't have any question, let us stop here for today. Thank you very much for joining my class.